This video will show you how to replace the air filter on the Cub Cadet rider mower. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Turn the mower off. Make sure the engine is cool. Remove the ignition key. Disconnect the spark plug ignition wires and the red cable from the battery. Engage the parking brake. Open the access door on the back of the engine. Unhook the metal latch to remove the paper and foam elements. Separate the foam element from the paper element. Wash the foam element in mild detergent and water and allow it to dry completely. Never use gasoline or low flash point solvents for cleaning the air filter element. Apply a few drops of clean engine oil to the foam element and squeeze out all excess oil. Assemble the paper and foam elements. Insert assembled air filter element and rehook the metal latch. Close the access door on the back of the engine. Reconnect the red cable to the battery and the spark plug ignition wires.